Today I'm taking a look at the magnetic tool belt clip. So we can see we got a rubber pad on here, so we don't have to worry about this scratching up anything we're going to be throwing on it. So you just throw, wow, that's got a very good magnet on it. And you can see all those little pads on there. Those are the magnets that are on the inside, so these are very strong magnets. On the top we got our lock, so this is a press button, but you can also see it's got this little slider. So if we slide that to on, we can press that in, and that will release the latch. Looks like fairly thick plastic on here, which is excellent. So we can take this and we can just put our belt right in there, clip this onto it. We also got these slots in here, so if we wanted to, we could actually just string this onto something else. So lots of great options for this. And we got a little over a quarter, looks like about 5/16 worth of space in here, so we could actually fit quite a thick belt in there. So yeah, I really like the overall design. This thing looks and feels very strong. And the fact that it's got that really strong magnet on there really just kind of makes this thing useful for a lot of different applications. What I was thinking was we could just set that pretty much anywhere. And if we got to work on something that's going to be dirty, we can just clip our radio right to that. That way we don't got to worry about getting our radio dirty. And if you're on the forklift, you got a radio on you, that's going to be pressing into these things. So I've seen a lot of people doing weird modifications to the forklift, but with this, literally just do the same thing. But yeah, that thing is pretty awesome.